It's a new 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,